Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I just did a video where I made these two, and then I came up with these two, and while I was just waiting for my other video to load, and this is the same process, with the exception of a triangle is a little bit harder, because you cannot, a couple of things you can't do. Can't use a common shape triangle, even holding down the control button and then hitting P, and you can see it just doesn't work. So the best way around that, because we need to be in the center, use a polygon tool, 6-sided, hold down the control button to make it equal, hit P, and then change that to a 3-sided polygon. Go up to Effects and contour the inside 0.75 or whatever number. You don't probably have to break it apart, but I get a common of practice of breaking them apart. And then I'm going to either group them together or I'm going to combine them, because I need to make a duplicate of that. And if you do, you'll have trouble when you move the rotation because there's two parts. So we're going to Control D and make a duplicate, click on the rotation and put it in the center. If we didn't have that, we would that would not be there. It would move again. Then we're going to rotate this 60 degrees, and we've got it. Now from here on out, it's the exact same as the other one. Take the virtual segment delete key and delete just these two lines. Take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in with whatever color you want. We add a little bit of red, or I'm a laser engraver, so I'm going to go back to black, because if you want to do this for laser engraving. And then take your interactive fill tool, same thing, fountain fill, elliptical, move this to the center and probably pretty far up top, and then swap this around. So what that does, it's making this the center, and it looks pretty cool. Looks pretty good, but you can always go back and tweak it. Make it even lighter up there or darker, by sliding the slide bar. Let's see what it looks like when we just have a little bit of darkness. Now we're going to use the same transformation docker. Go to Windows Docker Transformation, and all you have to do is move this transformation docker needs to know where you're going to put it when you're rotating it. So we're telling it we want it right there. 60 degrees and 5. There's actually 6, but we've already got one. And that's a pretty cool design, with or without the lines, the outline. But what is neat about this, we can take away the outline or add black outline. We'll actually make it a little bit thicker. I'm using somebody else's file. I don't normally work in millimeters. And this thing's so big. Let's go see what 10 points. That's overly big. But what it does show you is the lines are going underneath, and it's an optical illusion. That line actually, to me, on my monitor, looks like it's even bowed out and going behind there. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.